Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are at our local zoo, and with me I just printed off a core board, and inside the page protector then I also put a fringe board from the zoo animals. I just screenshotted this from Chat Editor, which is free emulator that you can download, and then was able to print it off because at the zoo, fringe is just important as your core vocabulary. So, and this hasn't been too bad to carry around. I have it in a book bag whenever we are walking around. Right now, we are going on a train ride. And so today we've just been talking about a lot of times how we have to wait our turn and what we're going to see. You can ask questions like what will be next. First, we're going to go see, the bear. Lots of times my son is making requests as well, so what he wants to go see. Oh, you want a drink right now? Okay. But yeah, we make requests. We're talking a lot about what we're doing. Earlier we were on the train. We had to slow down because we were going down a hill, weren't we? Yeah, Luke keeps turning this over because he loves this page and telling me all the animals that he wants to see. Yes. I heard you. You said I have dinosaurs. Good job. You do. We have our little toys with us that helped in the car ride. And they help us when we're waiting in line, don't they? And we're going to turn it back over. So fringe is super important, like I said, especially at the zoo, because they want to talk about the animals. So there's how we are using our communication on the go at the zoo. Thanks for watching.